once again.
So hello, here it's Jimmy at O'Reilly's here again, and I have my own van here. It's a Volkswagen Crafter, same as the Mercedes Sprinter really. But I've had this van about 7 years now, but I finally decided to upgrade this unit here. I found a cheap upgrade replacement. So I got this unit here from eBay. It was £140 or something like that, I think. We'll just put that to the side for a minute and we'll start by getting this unit out. So I started by just putting a little trim tool in along here. We'll just get it all the way down. Pop this out. There you go. So that's just done some little push-in clips there. And that goes, just connects in along there. That's two. We got two on the top, bottom and two on the top. You got the top ones in here. Can't really see it. There you go. Oh yeah, we've got that one there to take out now. So we've got this out. We have to give that a good hard pull there just to get it clipped out. And now I can see we have another two screws here. There's screws right there. Obviously the front of it just pulled out. We disconnect everything here. Plugs. So here we've got a little note there with it. It says to make sure and disconnect your battery. We remove the panel from the floor there, disconnect the battery. So on the back of the unit here I've got these two USB inputs, I suppose. But I can't see a way of, you know, putting these out of the dash that just doesn't look messy. So for the time being I think I'm just going to leave them inside until I can get something nice to put on the front, like maybe a proper USB button that I can then connect up to this. And it comes with a bunch of these wires here, subwoofers, mic connections, CV, BS, whatever that is, auxiliary, audio, and audio out, left and right. Also have the option there for like a camera, rear view camera, which I might definitely do in the future. Got this GPS antenna here. I'm just going to twist that on. Just goes on here. Connect up these two plugs here. Okay, the one thing I've noticed here is the antenna plug for this is different to the one that's on the van, so I need the adapter for that. I haven't got that right now, so that's going to be something I'm going to have to go and get and then come back and put that on at a later time. Just needs to go in there. So I'm just going to push all of the wiring in there for now, and hopefully I don't need to mount that antenna anywhere. Route the wiring out of the windscreen, out to the windscreen. It hopefully should be alright by just leaving it in there. We'll just set it up for now, see how it works, and if not we can change that around. So I'll put the screws in there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we can get this fascia unit. Let's just put it here and it should just press in. It looks like it's a little bit of a tight fit along here. Let me see if I can work that. So that's it, we're all pushed in there. That just took a little bit of an extra push to push down in there. She looks like she's fitting in okay. Doesn't look too bad. This is a slightly different colour black. It's more of a gloss black. Just connect back up the battery. Right, we'll just switch down the ignition and see what happens. Maybe we've got to press the power button or something. Just started the engine and then it's come on. Switch the engine off there now, it seems to be running okay. And one thing I've noticed right away is when I turn the engine lights on, that lights up as well. Lights up blue. So that's one plus point there. That works along with the headlights. Let's go back to the menu, see what we have in there. Apparently gives you your speed. We'll test that soon. Music, Bluetooth. What else have we got on the menu? Settings. Android settings. And we'll get this connected up to the Wi-Fi. So we'll connect it onto one of these. Got that there now connected up to the internet. We'll just come back to the home button here. We've got it, all of our maps, Play Store. We have just signed in, so it should be signed into our Play Store. Google Play Points, yeah, skip that off. Yeah, so we're signed in. So I've just signed on to the Google Maps, and now we're going to update it and we'll get back. Right, so we start here now. We'll go back and press Navi, see what that brings up. Some kind of navigation system here. I think that's the actual name of it. We'll press next. Be nice if we could switch this maybe to Google Maps or something. Traffic, yeah, we'll agree to all of that. Yep. So that's the navigation there, it's all set up. Seems to be working okay. The idea with the map, so I'm going to go back now and I'm just going to say call Bennett's Biggleswade. So I've got the phone here connected on the Bluetooth. And we can hear that ringing, so that seems to be working. So if you press here, we can get the apps up. I have YouTube on there. This looks like a good page, good video. Let's click down here to the page. This looks like a really good page, doesn't it? I think everybody should subscribe to this one. 100%. I just uploaded a video an hour ago.
Who you are, and I don't know what's wrong with your car. But what I can tell you is that I've got a very particular set of skills. A set of skills I've acquired over.
We've also downloaded another app there, TomTom Go. You can download apps on it. It literally works exactly the same as my phone would, Android phone. So yeah, pleased with it really. Another thing we noticed here, if we open the door, it actually tells you on the screen there which door is open. Another thing worth mentioning here is I haven't even had to set that up, but if I press the volume on here, you can see there that's working. And if I use my phone controls, that actually pops up. So we can go into wallpapers, find one of our images, and we can set that as a wallpaper. Home screen, lock screen. Let's put it on lock screen for now, see what that looks like. Go back. Well, we can't see it on lock screen. I don't know how the screen locks yet. So of course for the music there we can put USB sticks or maybe micro SD cards in the back, and or you can use it on Bluetooth. So that's about it, I think, really. That's all I can think of. That's about all there is to it. So yeah, we have music buttons here, navigation buttons. But yeah, we'll go through it a little bit more and get to learn how it works. The thing I can see left is to see if the speed actually works when we're driving. And yeah, the speed does work. It's a little bit erratic though. It doesn't seem to be working 100%.